In today's video, we're gonna uncover the secret behind peptides, a powerful supplement that has been popping up recently and has been revolutionizing the way we approach our health and performance. Whether you are a 9-to-5 desk worker, athlete, or fitness enthusiast striving for better results, it's important to understand peptides before you consider them. They have many benefits, from stimulating the growth hormone, tissue repairing, leading to faster recovery, and achieving fat loss. Peptides offer various benefits that can help you achieve your goals way faster and more efficiently than ever before. I will try to provide you with a comprehensive guide to peptides. What are they, how they work, and if you actually need them. Before we continue, it's important to note that none of this is medical advice. This is all based from my own research I have made on peptides. In 2016, peptides were supposed to be in the new frontier of doping. These performance-enhancing chemicals were thought to be nearly undetectable, at least until baseball major league started to test positive athletes using the banned substance, like Los Angeles Dodgers receiver Josh Raven and Atlanta Braves pitcher Andrew McCarrihan, and there have been plenty of other athletes as well, especially in UFC. For example, Joe Rogan thinks UFC fighters should be allowed to use certain illegal substances such as BPC 157, which speed up the healing and recovery process as part of their treatment, since they are usually dealing with some minor or major injuries. So what are the peptides? Peptides, including the growth hormone releasing peptides, are short chains of amino acids, which are little molecules that are the building blocks of peptides and proteins. Certain formulations can aid in athletic performance. Peptides exist naturally also in our body, but you can also find them in animal and plant-based proteins, including meat, fish, dairy, eggs, beans, lentils, and whole grain. The structure of peptides is similar to certain hormones or messaging compounds already present in your body. These short chains of amino acids are involved in a variety of processes in your body, including in production of hormones and DNA. They are also helpful when building muscle tissue, which is why peptides are really common and popular topic in bodybuilding sports. So what do peptides do to your body exactly? Because peptide structure can be similar to those of some hormones and messaging compounds in the body, they can engage and activate several receptors throughout the body, thereby influencing a variety of processes in our body. Depending on their sequence and composition, certain peptides may prevent blood clots, boost the immune system, protect cells against damage, and reduce cholesterol, inflammation, and blood pressure. Specific peptides may also help to boost specific hormones known to stimulate muscle growth, reducing body fat, and enhance exercise performance and recovery. And that's why peptides are really popular amongst bodybuilders or any other athletes who are trying to grow their muscle mass or are interested in maximizing their training results. So how does peptides actually work for bodybuilders or any other people who are trying to improve their training, muscle growth, recovery? Bodybuilders are athletes who often seek to increase their body composition as quickly and efficiently as possible. Peptides are popular performance-enhancing aid in a bodybuilding community. Growth hormone releasing peptides are type of peptide that attracts particular interest. They can stimulate the production of release of human growth hormone, and human growth hormone is a hormone that the pituitary gland secretes, and it can help enhance muscle growth and promote the loss of body fat. Does so in a part by stimulating the liver to release insulin like growth factor, IGF-1, turns IGF-1, triggers muscle protein production and muscle growth. It also appears to break down some body fat. People often view peptides as more a natural alternative compared to anabolics and praise them for their ability to boost muscle mass, promote fat loss, and help bodybuilders or athletes get the most out of their workouts. If you enjoyed this video so far, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you have found this video helpful. And are peptides actually legal? The legality of peptides depends on a variety of factors, including their intended use, formulation, and approval in specific countries and regions. In many cases, peptides that are naturally occurring in the body and used for medical purposes, such as insulin or growth hormone, are legally available with a prescription from a healthcare professional. Supplement companies often promote peptides for muscle growth, promote fat loss, or to improve workout performance and recovery. However, growth hormone peptides are currently banned in a professional sport, and little is known about their long-term safety. And using them also may lead to some health concerns, which leads to our next topic: are peptides safe to use? While research into peptides building muscle is really at early stage, several peptides have been shown promising results in animal case studies and small-scale clinical trials. Additionally, the use of peptides for muscle growth outside of clinic or professional help and supervision is not recommended due to potential risks like dosage, purity, and legality of ingredients. Individuals considering therapy for muscle growth with peptides should always consult healthcare professionals to discuss the potential benefits, risks, and appropriate use of substances. The potential side effects of peptides can vary depending on specific peptide, dosage, method of administration, individual factors such as overall health and previous medical history, and the presence of underlying conditions. Peptides administered via injections may cause local reactions such as pain, redness, swelling, or irritation at the injection site. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions to peptides or the substances used in their formulation. Peptides that affect hormone levels, such as growth hormone secreted GGUs, may cause hormonal imbalances in some individuals. This can lead to symptoms such as changes in libido and higher anxiety or depression symptoms. Peptides can also affect your kidney and liver function. Peptides are primarily metabolized and cleared from the body by the kidneys and liver. In some cases, prolonged use or higher amount of peptides can place a strain on these organs, potentially leading to impaired kidney and liver function. It can also affect your cardiovascular system. Certain peptides, particularly those who are affecting the fluid balance or blood pressure regulations, may affect the cardiovascular system. That can increase the workload of heart and increase potential risk of having a hypertension or heart failure. So again, if you are really considering to use peptides, it's really important to contact healthcare professionals that can provide you a personalized plan, guidance, adjust the treatment so you can minimize the risks of these potential side effects. So my opinion on peptides is that before you consider actually using peptides, I first highly suggest to work on your health and fitness level. For example, myself, I work with my clients all around the world, helping them to become the best versions of themselves. For example, Kun, my most recent client who lost 22 pounds in just 2 months. Abisai, software engineer who shred 17 pounds of his body fat and doubled his energy levels in just 90 days. Andre, who lost 15 pounds and increased his performance to new heights. Curtis, who lost 30 pounds in 3 months. So I can go on and on with my clients, but it's because I do it myself. I preach healthy lifestyle on daily basis. We are taking full holistic approach. We also do like blood tests to make sure we don't have any deficiencies. We also eat whole foods, high protein meals that are simple and easy to make, right? Because we are all busy professionals and we want that our health is on top. We also spend some time in the gym, 2 to 3 workouts per week, like 45 to 60 minute workouts, and Rome was not built in one day, and the same applies to your body and health, right? So first of all, invest some time, invest some 5-10 good years building your health, building your physique. And if you want to take a step further, then be my guest, then consider like using peptides, increase that performance or body to the new heights. But do your own research beforehand and always contact some healthcare professionals that helps you assist in this way. Don't sacrifice short-term pleasure against long-term results. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video. And if you want to know more about what I do as a health and fitness coach, go check my main YouTube video. Or if you want to optimize your health and performance to new heights without the need to use peptides, then book the health assessment call, link in bio. And yeah, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next video.